Hello everyone, today I'm going to cook some Korean dishes. Kimchi soup with tofu and crispy fried pork. We are going to eat them with hot rice. On the screens, you can see all the ingredients we need to prepare. First, let's prepare the ingredients. First, we cut the carrots and onions into small pieces. Then we cut the tofu into pie-sized pieces. Next, we prepare the pork. We season it with seasoning powder, sugar, and a little pepper. Then mix it well and let the seasoning soak into the meat. Now let's make the kimchi soup. First, boil some water in the pot and add the kimchi. Then add the tofu and season the soup with seasoning powder, sugar, and a little fish sauce. Mix everything well. When the soup starts to boil, turn off the heat and add some green onions. And now let's make the crispy fried pork. First, prepare some potato stock. This time I forgot to buy potato stock, so I use flour instead. It was still crispy but not as good. Mix the flour with some water, then put the marinated pork into the mixture. Next, fry the pork until it is golden and crispy, then take it out. Now let's make the sauce. We need tapioca starch, a little water, soy sauce, sugar, and vinegar. Mix everything well. Next, we add the carrots and onions to the pan, then pour in the sauce and mix everything well. Cook until the sauce is well mixed and slightly thick. Now everything is ready. Let's serve the food and enjoy the meal. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching and see you the next time.